Are you aware that it takes banks up to 6 months to completely onboard their corporate customers? Hi, I'm Dennis from CoCoNet, and we are experts in white label digital banking products for banks like ING, Citibank, UniCredit, and many further leading European banks. Today, I will show you how banks can dramatically improve their onboarding situation with the help of our product suite. In fact, we are talking about reducing the onboarding time to just 1/3. That does mean plenty of time for the bank to deal with something more meaningful than just administrating onboarding applications. Beside these time-saving aspects, I will also show you how banks are able to reduce costs and gain flexibility within the overall process flow. There is much more to say about onboarding, so let's jump straight into our demo. Let's assume I'm an employee of a larger company and my colleague Marcus and I were asked to create some accounts at a new bank. We started already yesterday, and with the email I received earlier on, I can access the authentication page. Here I provide my credentials, press the login button, and I'm ready to go. Now the application status is fetched back, and I get a clear indication regarding where I am in the process, and also all upcoming process steps are mentioned here as well. I also get a calculated indication how long it will take until the process is finalized. Let's continue. Oh wait, I just received a notification that my colleague Marcus has updated the company information. So it's really beneficial that we both can contribute files and data at the same point in time. I also see that Marcus did a good job and already created all companies which are part of our holding. That's really great. Also, all bank accounts which we're requiring have been set up. But what's missing is a term deposit. So there's also something for me to do. To change it, I just add a product or service, select the proper service type, and next I need to provide detailed information related to my term deposit, like an account owner, an investment amount, an investment period, a reference account. But next I need to specify something which is called interest distribution and arm loss. I have no clue what this is about, and there is also no tooltip available. Till now, everything was super easy, but now I'm stuck. But there's a support icon in the bottom right corner. Let's just give it a try. Okay, something happens. Hopefully not again a chatbot, because these guys always have troubles in understanding me. Hi.
Hi, Dennis. Sorry, but I'm not a chatbot. At this point, a real custom manager or support agent would have the possibility to answer the customer's questions. The integrated co-browsing solution with video chat enables the bank employee to talk or chat with the customer, as well as to highlight important information directly on the screen. Back to you, Dennis.
Thanks a lot. And the best part about it, there was no need to install any additional piece of software. So I'm not in trouble with my restrictive IT department. So now I have all information at hand, select distribute, add my term deposit, and I'm ready to go.
Thanks, Dennis. A quick question for you. Does this extended support feature, is that available everywhere?
Exactly, Greg. Wherever you're stuck in the process, you can use our co-browsing feature to request help at any point in time. Next, I can validate the whole application. Just press the validate button, and unfortunately, I received an issue. And especially within one of the companies which were created by Marcus. I take back the praise to Marcus. But to solve this is also very easy. Just use the deep dive and deep link from this error message, and you're redirected to the corresponding area. So now it's up to me to provide, in this case, a commercial register, just upload it, validate the application again. Now everything is fine, and I can submit it to the bank.
Oh, nice. So every document you need can be provided during this upload in the onboarding process?
Correct, Greg, and even better. They are also automatically attached to our centralized document management where they can be accessed at any time. Plus, we also have integrated reminders for periodical updates, like, for example, a credit risk assessment. So back to the process. Now it's up to the bank to use our integrated AML checks and also rating mechanisms to further process this application. Once these internal checks have been completed, they send it back to the customer, and we're using video ident and QoS features to fully sign this application. Let us provide a short summary of what we've seen so far. Several people being able to contribute at the same time into our onboarding application. We also have seen the direct selection and setup of services and products during customer onboarding, and reduced costs due to a fully digital end-to-end process. These, by the way, are also the reasons why our first customers saved 66% of their onboarding time.
Thanks, Dennis. A great demo. So one last question from me. What if the bank doesn't follow your standard workflows or figures the current workflows need improvement?
That's a good one. And that's also the point where our machine learning kicks in. So let's do another example. So now I'm working for the bank and I'm responsible to manage and monitor the onboarding. To do my daily work, I use one of the pre-built dashboards to check if everything is going well. As you can see, I have a lot of information directly at hand. For example, how many onboarding applications are currently active? This provides me a good indication of whether or not the number of advisors is still appropriate and whether they're still able to manage all onboarding processes. Other metrics like applications per country or the total duration over time are mentioned as well. If something is missing, that's super easy. Just configure a new widget, add it to the dashboard, and then you're done. But now let's see if there are any areas which are causing a lot of troubles. As you can see, I'm using the corresponding chart to deep dive into the onboarding flow. And as you can see as well, the onboarding, especially the term deposit area, is highlighted red. If I drill down, I get further information. In this case, two form-related issues, one related to the investment period, another one to the interest distribution. Just remember what happens 4 minutes before. If I deep dive, I get my machine learning capabilities. So go to the solution page, and here I get 3 recommended solutions to solve these kind of issues, like creating an FAQ entry, provide a tooltip, or create a tutorial. I pick and choose the tooltip option. And now I'm automatically redirected into our administration panel, and even better, directly to that point in the application where the interest distribution is configured. So now it's up to me to go to the tooltip section, provide a tooltip for all languages which are active in the system, update this field, save the whole form, and I'm done. I hope this provides an idea how easy it is to monitor and improve the process within just minutes. And thanks to this flexibility, we are also able to concentrate in the first shot on the biggest pain points banks are facing within the onboarding journey. This helps to reduce the risk of a bottomless IT project and helps us to make bank customers happier. If you would like to learn more about CoCoNet or our onboarding solution, just drop us a line on LinkedIn, call us, or visit us in our virtual Finovate room. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.